What's up, everybody? Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, you can hear me. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the ReCoop. I'm your host, Cooper Daniels, and today is Wednesday, April 3rd, 2024. What's going on? I got my lens cup today. Wormhole airdrop. We're still wondering what's going to happen with that Silk Road BTC from the great United States government. And Bitcoin is sort of consolidating, isn't it? Around $66,000. Folks, I don't know if you remember, but I bought an oil company. I didn't really know much about it. Only reason I bought it was because it was called Devon and it had a nice dividend and it was American centric. And I was looking for an oil company that was focused on drilling here because I have a feeling the world is getting increasingly volatile. And the United States has been pumping oil, extracting oil from our land at a record pace the last 5 years. So I thought that might be a good idea. So I just bought it, just like I do in crypto. I hadn't bought a stock in a while. That thing is up almost 20%. I even bought this damn thing the day before the ex-dividend date. So I got the dividend a couple weeks later, and it's up almost 20%. That little value stock with a very nice dividend is doing all right. Devin, what's going on? So what's going on? Anybody in the chat? How are we doing? We got a late start today. The ReCoop, I'm all over the place time-wise, continues. One day, it will no longer be like this, folks. But today, it's still like this. And also, I want to say something. It's important. It's important for you guys to understand that there's going to be a major, I think, there's a 95% chance of a major announcement coming from my Twitter page. Do you understand? My X page, the ReCoop, at Coop_Daniels. You're going to want to follow that because I think old boy Coop is cooking again, folks. I've been inspired. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if I actually follow through. So, folks, are you in here? Where are you? There you go. Oh, shoot. Bento Grizz, what's up? How are you? Animal Style is here. What's up, Coop? What's going on, GG? ReCoop is moving to sold. He's not. I hear the Wormhole drop. There's a little bit of difficulty. Sol's having I guess Wormhole is making you claim on Solana, but poor Solana can't handle the load, can it? Can't handle it. Lots of failed transactions. I guess if you keep on trying, it will go through. Folks, keep on trying. All right. What's up, Shek? How are you? Oh, Shek. Alpha, what's going on, Bento Grizz? Good morning. Good morning to Vince. Yes, folks. There's going to be some fun. I think there's going to be some fun. I've got an idea. And I'm feeling a little, similarly to last year, even though we've got a turn in the market, I'm feeling a little uninspired these days. I've been retreating a bit to a stacking sats and, sort of wanting to play in your weird games, but also not. I mean, I did buy gold, but I bought an oil stock from the lower God. So you can see me retreating to a certain thing because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the world here. I am a vessel of instinct. I crack myself up. All right, let's just scroll through, navigate the noise. You'll find out later. So definitely check my Twitter, subscribe. They won't let you subscribe. Just follow me on Twitter. Let's get me some followers. Let's do that first. And then if we get a certain amount of followers, I'll actually announce this major thing. Oh my God. I think I should do it. I should. It's funny. I think it's funny. Maybe it's funny. Well, you never should say something's funny because then you guys are going to be like, that's not that funny, bro. It's all good. All right. Good morning, Crypto for Change. Win Crypto for Change on the ReCoop live at night. Oh my God. Oh, somebody get me a better job. Can we do something? Somebody out there, let's hire me. Let's move things so I can be here doing that. No, we got to do it. I don't know how late you can do it, Crypto for Change, because I might have to start pretty late because I'm on the West Coast. You're on the East Coast. We got to figure it out. A late night Crypto for Change ReCoop is coming. I think that'll be a lot of fun. No, we're not calling it late night laughs. Crypto for Change. Jesus Christ. Then he said, no, that's dumb. Announcement of the pre-announcement bullish. Bank on is in the building. Announcement of the pre-announcement. I just announced that I'll announce something if you guys fucking make my Twitter more impressive. Oh, guess I'm getting better at this. See? BitBoy would be proud. You know what I'm saying? If he were still with us as a YouTuber. I know he's alive, but I don't think he does YouTube anymore. He's done, right? He retired. Oh man, he just claimed Samino. How did it go? Just claimed his W airdrop, his Wormhole airdrop. He got a big W. It's got to feel good. You know, I checked the airdrop tracker when they first announced it a while ago, and I didn't have anything. They're not giving me an airdrop unless something's changed. Did Algorand accounts get refreshed? Because I definitely have used Wormhole on more than one occasion, but you know, it's not like I've used it like a power user. I'm not a power user of Wormhole, but I've used it more than 10 times, and it said I didn't get anything. All right, crypto for change stays up. He's got a meth problem. That's okay. Got to lose weight somehow. What if I told you if you create a meme and I like it, you could earn like 50 to 75 per pop? What if I told you if you create a meme and I like it, you could earn 50 to 75 per pop? Well, there you go. Feels good, man. I don't know if I'm going to sell or not yet. Well, yeah, I don't know what you should do with that. I have no idea. These things are not something that I can predict. All right, folks, we're having a good time. Today's a great day. Today is Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. We got Jerry, old Jerry P-Pow. Jerry Powell said he's going to be careful. We had Bostic, another Fed man, saying that he only thinks that there's going to be one rate cut this year, and it'll be in the fourth quarter. Seems like they're slowing their roll, but they're going to have to cut something. They're going to have to cut at some point before the election, because I don't think Jerry Nasty wants to be responsible for an election, because if there's continuing tightening, this market is going to get sad. If they keep on not cutting rates, this market is going to get sad. I'm offering it to you. I have the alpha. Uh-oh. I told you if you create a meme and I like it, you could earn like 50 to 75 per pop. All right. I'm offering it to you. All right. He has the alpha. Hit me up, crypto for change. Let's do it. Let's get paid. So we started this at 11:11. It's a what do we call this? Oh my God, guys. I stayed up so late last night. I had no business staying up that late. You know, sometimes you just kind of go on a roll. You know what I mean? You get home late, so you start late. And then you're like, well, this was my time to myself, where there's everybody sleeping. You know what I mean? Nobody's going to bother me. Nobody's going to be like, why aren't you cleaning? You know, shit like that. Daddy, can you buy me these new skins? Want to buy you NBA 2K packs, son? Stop asking. My God, you don't think these kids are so damn used to digital items. My son just wants to spend all his money on NBA 2K packs of, digital cards. I mean, this kid is going to be very, very primed for all the nonsense that you guys are shilling all the time. It's not nonsense. It's all beautiful. It's all art. That's just the way I talk, folks. But I'm just saying. What's my point? Anyways, I stayed up really late last night and I ate an entire box of Cheez-Its. This Cheez-It thing was full. I paired it with it was very fancy last night. I paired my cheese with some other stuff. All right, let's navigate the noise. How are we doing? Let's go to CNBC and see what these people are talking about. You know what I'm saying? I know what you're saying. Let's share the screen. Go to CNBC. See what these assholes want to say. Want you to think. Let's see what these assholes want you to think, folks. Okay, so the market is sideways. Well, actually, the Dow is sideways, up 24 points, but it's all in the green. We got the S&P 500 up 1/3%, and NASDAQ is up 0.5%, bouncing back from yesterday, which was not a good day. Let's just check before we go down. Oil continues to pump. We got oil at 85.5, up more than 0.5%. And then you got Brent up to almost 90. Natural gas pushing down just a touch. but up against those lows that we saw really recently. Let's look at gold. Gold, holy shit. Yeah, buddy. Should have bought more. Oh, silver. Should have bought more of that too. Look at that. Silver's over 27. Damn. Gold, 2,315. I think that other people might call that 2,315. Wow, those are all-time highs. Crazy. Good for you and everybody else in safe haven assets. Disney wins proxy fight with Nelson Peltz. Okay, so this man continues to go. Fed's Powell emphasizes need for more evidence that inflation is easing before cutting rates. There you go. Amazon is cutting jobs at the, who's in trouble, or the stock that's in trouble is old Tesla. Tesla not doing so good. It came with some bad numbers. People are calling for its end. Probably ends well. I mean, ends poorly. Sarcasm. DA blasts Trump for trying to delay hush. Okay, no one cares. Schwartzman brothers plead guilty to insider trading on Trump media merger plans. Am I not sharing? I wasn't sharing that whole thing. Jesus. What a mess. But we're back. Spotify shares up on report company plans to raise prices. I remember back in the day when I made a rather large investment in Netflix, and it tanked. It was tanking because I think it was the first time they raised it $1. My wife had money she wanted to invest, and it went up $1 membership fee. It was like something stupid, like from $8.99 to $9.99, and the stock just tanked for no damn reason. I was like, just buy a bunch of that. I'm a genius. As the Dow nears 40,000, here's what experts say you should do in case of a pullback. Cry. It's probably what they said. Feeling a little weird today. I'm speaking in like a weird pattern. Tesla bouncing back a little bit, but down to 167. So it's definitely under pressure. Intel also under pressure. Down 7.5%. All right, that's fine. Let's go here and actually share. Go to CoinDesk. Are you too late to crypto? Let's see. Recent price appreciation veils the far greater potential of blockchain technology. Okay, I can't read somebody's weird op-ed right now. I'm sorry. I tried. The answer is probably no, you're not too early, is what they're going to say. The SEC calls for comments on spot ETH ETFs. Kathy Wood attributes Bitcoin rise to national currency devaluations. Bitcoin back down to 66,000 as rising treasury yields catch investor interests. So I guess at consensus, Nick Carter and David Hoffman from Bankless are going to fight. Okay. Let's go to the block. All right, 65.6, or do I need a refresh? Oh my God. Yeah, 65.6. So pushing down below 3,300. Okay, but we're going to look at prices in a second. Bank of England, FCA target autumn 2024 as earliest starting date for first. Okay, but Wormhole token sinks nearly 25% before bouncing back amid Beeple post and phishing scams. The highly anticipated airdrop attracted attention from all over the world of crypto as the token experienced intense price swings. All right, let's talk about it. Let's see, because I haven't been following it. Let's learn what happened. After quickly surging in price, Wormhole's native token nosedived by nearly 25% before making a strong recovery. Phishing scams looking to take advantage of the highly anticipated airdrop were detected online. The highly anticipated Wormhole airdrop appeared to attract attention throughout much of the cryptosphere. On Wednesday, as the protocol's native token sank nearly 25% before then rebounding by more than 10. After surging to a high of $1.66, Wormhole's token subsequently declined by nearly 25%, hitting $1.25 around 2 hours after airdrop. At the time of writing, Wormhole's token had rebounded by more than 10%, changing hands at $1.50. Trading volume had exceeded 17 million at the time of writing, also according to CoinGecko. Parallel to Wormhole's fluctuating price, the airdrop attracted interest from some of crypto's bigger names. People who shared some Wormhole-inspired art also appeared to bring would-be scammers out of the woodwork. Internet sleuth also appeared online attempting to warn people of potential scams. We're blocking hundreds of scam comments under the Wormhole airdrop claim. But no, nearly 400,000 wallets are eligible to claim a lot of the token, accounting for 6.78% of the total 10 billion supply. The token is a native ERC token and a native Solana SPL token, estimated to have an initial circulating supply of 1.8 billion. Last year, Wormhole closed a 225 million funding round, which gave it a valuation of 2.5 billion. All right, so what does the Wormhole token even do? Right? Let's learn. Do you guys know? You guys want to tell me? Or should I just look it up? Wormhole token. Utility. Okay. We're going to go to a fucking annoying... Okay, so we got powering Wormhole. Is a native token that powers a Wormhole platform, a multi-chain native token. W will initially launch as a native SPL token. ERC20 functionality will be enabled post-launch through Wormhole's native token transfers, allowing seamless transfers across any Wormhole-connected network. Tokenomics. There's 10 billion. Initial circulating supply is 1.8 billion. 82% of W are initially locked, which will unlock over the course of 4 years per vesting schedule. Launch on Solana. Multi-chain governance. Wormhole's token-based governance system empowers token holders to influence the protocol's future. So it's a governance token. All right. You guys know anything? Let's just look. I'll look real quick and see if you guys are telling me anything. Finally made it. What's good? What's going on? Mid-ASA. That's why we're bullish on NFTs, right? I think so, actually. I think it is the future. I have the alpha. Okay, that's good. Hell, I buy those packs. Yes, you too. I still buy Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but not digital. Old school like that. Finally made it. What's good? There we go. Crypto to change. Crypto turning dollars to cents. The best at it, bank on. I think Crypto for Change has had a good run. His base obsession is really paying off for that guy. He's offering to pay me now. Just shit, this guy fucking, why don't you want to invest in the ReCoop Crypto for Change? Put those aerodrome gains to some good use. By the way, would you guys go on base and pump his token Reaper? Would you guys just go do that? What are you waiting for? His sweet Crypto for Change. He wouldn't rug you. I don't like losing money on tokens. Under the umbrella, I will hire you to join the next block. Okay. What do you want? All right. I'm still looking at this Wormhole thing. Let's get that off. Okay. What am I doing? Why did I come back here? Nobody has any information about Wormhole. So let's go back to Pamp the Reaper. California. I'm in California, and Crypto for Change is in Florida. But I don't know. Maybe that's not what you're asking. I have no idea what's going on. I'm lost. Where are my pants? Okay, so let's go back here. Screw this. No more Wormhole. You guys figured it out. I'm pretty sure it's just a governance token, which, doesn't mean that it's not going to be successful. Okay. We already did that. We did that the other day. Let's go real quick before we look at prices. Is there anything interesting at Bloomberg? I guess we could look at that real quick. We're doing this out of order today. I think we've already done this. I don't think I see anything fun here. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go to Blockworks. We'll look at this real quick, and then we'll move on. Not all that excited about the news today. Anything interesting? Not really seeing anything that's grabbing me like, ooh, I want to dive into this. Oh, did I change? Okay, let's go here real quick and go to CoinMarketCap. Okay, so this is the 24-hour fear and greed, but we're down to 71. So we're in greed, but it's going down. Bitcoin is down to almost 0.5% in the last hour, 0.75% for Ethereum. Volume is low, folks. We're at 35 billion in the middle of the week. That is low. Ethereum is also low at 16 billion. We got some sideways action here. Solana pushing down a touch in the last hour, I guess, underperforming the rest, but by a little. It's still at 185. XRP is going back to its home of 50 cents. Man, it's a tough existence if you've been sitting here holding this damn thing for so long. Down 6% in the last 7 days, almost 3%, 2.75% on the last 24 hours. Avalanche is finding its way back down it's down 15%, underperforming the entire market by a significant margin. 24 hours, 3.5%, an hour, a little over 1%. I think didn't they just announce they're doing something at Coachella? So AVAX is in the game. Polkadot down pretty significantly. Chainlink is also pushing down, getting further away from $20. Litecoin is down a lot in the last 24 hours. There's some hype around it. It's down 7.75%. Near feeling great in the last 24 hours, at least. Stacks pushing down almost 8% in the last 24 hours. Holding on to $3 though. Still in good shape. BitTensor, a bit tenser than it used to be. Stupid. Dog with Hat continues to go up, but it's down actually 9% in the last 24 hours. But still, last week it's up 20% almost. Pepe. What is core? I don't even know what core is. Bitcoin-backed core network defies flat market with 218%. The core token of the Bitcoin-backed core network is on a bullish run this week. All right, so it's a Bitcoin thing. Too bad you didn't know about core last week. Or maybe you did. 4chain is pushing down. It's down almost 20% in the last 7 days, almost 4% in the last 24 hours, and it's at $7.26. Jupiter feeling good. Algo. Floki Flocks. Oh, man, Algo. Algo, where'd you go, Algo? Oh, man. Number 61 at 23 cents. Ba-do-do-do-ba-dee-dee-dee. All right, Vestige. We got Akita Inu up almost 10%. People are excited about the new hire, the Algorand Foundation new hire. I believe we congratulated him yesterday on the show, but congrats on the job. And continue rocking out with your cock out, man. All right, actually put your cock back in. Let's see. Algo 200 is down 7%. Trump coin pumping. Barb coin pumping up 11%. Barb. Barb, he did like a GIF. Is that actually him with all the chins? Because he looked like one of the Fums. Definitely looked like a Fum. Let's see. Akita up 10%. Coop holding on to 4 cents. It's up a little bit in the last hour. Nico still first page, killing it. Daffy Reward making it to the first page. Votecoin got knocked off the first page, but it's climbing. Old Votey. Look at that. Cometa's having its shine. It's back, baby. Up 7% in the last 24 hours. DeFi Night, second page rockstar, been around forever. Bank on Algorand in the crowd. The man, the myth, the legend, getting rich off our bots. Barbara. Goanna coin. I don't even think I freaking redeemed. I'm such an asshole. Why didn't I? There was an airdrop sitting there for me, and it has now expired, so I don't even get it. It's hard to keep up. Headline. Sorry, I'm just like reading crypto just ASAs and just saying them like I'm calling for them. Fifi. That's my favorite one. I don't even. That's not even probably how you pronounce it. Is it Fifi? Fifi Network. You're down 27% in the last 24 hours. Fifi. All right. Was that fun? Did you guys enjoy that? Hey guys, if you are wondering, if you can't use, you were like, where's my Algorand Explorer? Well, you can go to Allo. Okay. I was looking at this. Let's look at this. Last night when I was down here, I almost bought this. Almost did it. It was 666 algo. It's got a little bird in the cloud. It's got a Trinley. Almost bought this baby, but I didn't pull the trigger. Anyways, Allo's is a good tool. I could have been at ASA Lytic for that too, by the way. So we got about 24 transactions per second happening on Algorand. Block finalities happening every 2.8 seconds. 8.09 billion of the 10 billion are circulating. Popular assets are Cometa, Hizab, Afghani, Planet Watch, USDC, and whatever the hell that is. I don't know why I'm showing that right now. I'm bored, I guess. Let's go back to Restream and see if you guys want to talk to me. You guys want to talk about anything? What do you think? Are we talking? Are you guys ignoring me now? All right, crypto to change under our umbrella. Oh, so Crypto for Change wants to ReCoop to become a next block show. Well, that's expensive. Crypto for Change. Pamp the Reaper. What is a contract address? We went higher today. Tell the man the contract address, Crypto for Change. Seems like Algo wants to flirt with the Reaper. Ooh. Jeez Louise. Oh, because of the 23 cents thing? Reminds me Phoebe from Friends. I have to say, I do have to say this. I don't have to say shit. I tweeted last night while I was in my bunker eating Cheez-Its. I said, maybe I should retire as the Algorand sheriff. And the reason why I said that, folks, is because, who gives a shit? You guys don't care. I call out things. You get mad at me for calling them out. You don't care. So why am I being a negative Nelly? You know what I mean? Maybe I need to be a positive Polly. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. All right. So, folks, and so Mel made the joke. Anyways, the WEF chain, the World Economic Forum chain. We're no longer the Fed chain. So, Michael Jordan, I love you very much. But when you show, look, we're on the World Economic Forum page. Who are we appealing to? Oh, man. We got to get 50 Cent on Algorand. How are we going to do that? All right, folks. I don't have anything else to say. I have some stuff to do. I have an important thing. Yeah, we can agree that we disagree, of course. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can disagree. I can agree to disagree. I agree to disagree every day of my life. I just say, okay, we disagree. Who cares? So, folks, what are we doing? Today's Wednesday. I don't even know. Is there any like numbers that are coming out this week? Like, what am I doing here? I have my mind. I have my soul set on this little project I'm working on for you guys, for the people. Okay, so now is actually now it. Well, the box is red, but it's at 0. Man, Intel shares dip. What is going on with Intel? Why? This is like the American semiconductor company. Like this is the damn company. This is Intel, and this can't get any love. It's just like is it just poorly run? What's going on? Intel shares fell on Wednesday after the company disclosed long-awaited financials in an SEC filing for its semiconductor manufacturing or foundry business, revealing an operating loss of $7 billion in 2023. It was the first time Intel reported revenue totals for its foundry arm alone, separating it from the product's business. Yeah. Noted Tesla bear says Musk's EV maker could go bust and stock is worth $14. Well, folks, if I mean, there's no world where Tesla is worth $14. He'll do something. He'll take. I don't know what he'll do, but it's not going to be sitting around $14. That is a failure if that happens. All right, folks, I'm done. I'm just blabbing. He wants me to accept and opt in. All right. What the fuck, dude? Did you just gift me that mostly friends? Yeah, what the fuck? Thank you. Really? It's fucking Christmas. I also got a basic from Basic Airdrops. That's wild. I'll make that my profile pic. If that, I mean, that's a crazy thing to do. Thank you so much, man. Look at this. Look at that. It's mine now. Everybody follow Crypto for Change on Twitter. Watch the next block when I'm not on at the same time. That was really generous of you, man. That's a really cool, mostly friends, isn't it? Didn't you guys like that? How evolved is this? Do I need I have a bunch of shrimp. That's cool. Thanks, man. That was nice. All right, folks. Hey, thank you so much. Crypto for Change. Follow Crypto for Change. Buy Reaper. I guess I just got paid for that promotion. I didn't mean to, SEC. I didn't know he was going to pay me. Everybody, buy Reaper on Base and follow him and listen to him about Base because that seems to be really playing out well. Yeah. I do own Moonwell, and I own it because of actually my Polkadot land. But now I believe that you weren't able to do well staking on Base. You had to move it over to Moonbeam on Polkadot in order to stake. And now I believe that there's going to be a native Base well token that you can stake on Base. So that might be a play. I mean, that's not financial advice at all, but that could be a play in the Base world that hasn't absolutely skyrocketed already. And yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying? That was a sweetheart move right there. All right, folks. Hey, thank you so much. It's Wednesday, and we're gonna have some fun today. Maybe later. So let's see how it plays out. And follow me on Twitter and follow Crypto for Change because he's an awesome dude, and we're gonna do a late night show. And he just gifted me a mostly friends that I like. All right, folks. I appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll be here Tomorrow's Thursday. And then I've got the space, the Messina space with Kev at 11. So you're going to see me at 1 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. All right, everybody. Have a good rest of your Wednesday.